Yeah, so the today topic, right? Today topic is notification. Okay. And when we talk about notification in the current world, right? Okay, let me ask actually first. Like Samson, what do you understand? Like what do you get the idea when we talk notification? What?
Notification is more of like a ping,
Hmm.
or a way to inform you that you have a message or you need to do something or it's time for something, an action to be taken.
Or informed you also, right?
Yeah.
Something is done. Like a simple example, if you are ordering something from e-commerce website, Amazon or anything, whatever you are using, you will immediately get a SMS or message kind of thing on your mobile, right? That you ordered this and it will be delivered by this time. Correct or not? Tell me.
Yes.
So this is a simple, that is only the notification, nothing else or nothing, no more, no down. Okay. Now the issue which we are facing right in current scenario, we cannot send, if you understand clearly, we cannot send everybody all information, right?
Yes.
We have to be careful, like whom we are sending. Uh, is it the right information? Suppose you are withdrawing something amount from your ATM, and now that message went to your wife, right? So she came to know that okay, this money, this person has that much money, and he's not spending on me. So let's catch him. Like this is a normal scenario. Your financial thing. Second thing, your suppose your health thing, like health, you are diagnosing something or anything. It has to be reached to stakeholders, like concerned people only, right? We cannot inform everybody. Are you getting my point? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So for that, what to whom we are sending, that is also important. And are we sending on time or not? That is also very much important. Other, if suppose you are ordering something from e-commerce or something from pizza or something, and you are getting message after like 2 hours or second day, it's useless, right, for you, right? So timing is also important, correct?
Yes.
Now here in service now, they have given this opportunity very good. What they did, they have defined in such a way that you can get on time, plus you can decide whom you want to send the notification for this particular action on event. Third, what you want to include. You shouldn't give any like unnecessary or confidential information. So this complete module is behind that only. Right. Now coming to the second part. If we talk about what, there's two important concept is there, events and notification. So the event, as Samson told, right, something has happened and some or something is going to happen, then only it got triggered. So similar concept here, like if something has happened, then only you can get your notification. Otherwise, you are not going to get anything. Okay, this is the normal concept. Now, how we can define it? Trigger can be like event can be triggered by user action. Like suppose you just submitted an incident, right, in your system for John Floyd. So that triggered a event. Okay, or you can write a code. You can define your own code, and that also will can trigger the event automatically. Now, if you don't know knowledge also, knowledge have scripting, it doesn't matter. You can still define your notification in ServiceNow, and you can well define it. If you want to put logo, if you want to put your company mark or like a template, you can do that also. Now I will just show you, as I, in your system also you can check later in that line, but here if you can see it, the I've just shown you the last email, like what is it's happening, it's there like a, and we can preview. So actually the end user will get exactly this type of email, this email. Okay, now I'll create a simple incident. The state has changed, in progress, on hold. Now I'll come here in your instance also, you can check it, emails. Look, I got this 2 email. I just want to show you the end user will get exactly this email. Can you see it? Like I have, if you remember, I created for Fabian, right? So he will get an email. He or she will get email. Hi Fabian, we created this to handle your recent request. You can this and all this thing, detail, short description, everything.
Okay.
Now it look very small to you, but if you will notice the detail part, this guy, when he will, like suppose system administrator left a comment, view comment. Now the important is if you click on this thing, right, it will send him from that email to directly the incident. Can you see that? So this is like a very important thing to understand. They have designed in a fashion to help everybody, to get everybody notified that what is happening and what you can get, what you cannot get, kind of thing. Here the this logo and everything you can design on your own. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Are we gonna
Now,
go into how to design the logo and stuff like that?
yeah, we can go also that, but this part is not required. But
It's
when you
not for that.
start, I will give you. But this like in your job, right, you will get sometime, like at one time or something, you will get this type of thing. Like at least they know that you have knowledge or not. Okay,
Okay.
for design. Because if you'll notice here, this now logo is there. Suppose you are working for some other company, Dell, Amazon, or any other, AT&T. They want their logo here. Okay, I will show you that also. So then now coming to the creating notification part, as I make you understand, right, in the like when I start this, when to send. So we have to define a event or something where they came to know that okay, now the time to send the email. Second is who will receive. So at this moment they will think that okay, now who, you can either create a select a group user, or you can select a group or something. Then you can say what it says, right? So let me open it first here. So this one, this is the normal notification, and here you can create like what I was trying to show it here, right? It's in the actual instance. It look like this. You have to define a name. You have to select an incident, like on which table you want to create your incident. And then in this section, you have to three part will be there. When to send here, record inserted, updated, event is fired. You have to define it here. Okay, if record is incident, then you have to send. The next is who will receive. So user and group you need to select. You can select a particular user, or if you want, you can select a group also to whom you want to send. And then third part is what it will contain. So here the field will come. So let me select here the incident. Yeah. So can you see it? All the field has came from incident.
Mhm.
Hmm. So here you can define your number also. Like it will come as a like whatever the current incident number it will show here. Okay, like that. Your this number incident number is resolved or like updated. Something you can type a message. So what is coming here? What you are typing is coming as a hardcode message. This alpha, sorry, this dollar sign and whatever coming in bracket, this will be variable that is coming from the current record. What will be the number? It can be different number, right? So it will come from there. If you notice here, this all are fixed, but this one is coming from the incident number. Can you notice? Did you notice?
Yeah.
Same thing opened by this thing is all variable. So any question here?
Uh, Cash,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I have to take you back. Can you
Mhm.
start all over again?
From where?
So,
Like
yeah,
this one?
sorry, the notification you went on the system was the
Mhm.
notification on the provider, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And
This
my
is just I
question
show you
is,
like how it actually look in the inbox of yours.
yeah, but at the top you choose table. Was there a reason why you choose table?
Oh, this one defining you're telling this one?
No, 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 no. From the incident page before you got here.
Mm, incident page. Sorry, I'm not getting this one you're telling.
No, no, no. Can you go back? Just go back one step, like the back arrow.
This one?
Not this one.
Oh,
When
here
you went, yeah,
it will actually go, it will actually close it. Tell me how like
yeah. You
okay.
see at the okay, yeah, notification. Click on notification on the
Mm,
provider, right?
mm.
So here at the top, yeah,
Okay. Here I just selected just for like I thought of showing you the in existing notification. That's why. But later I changed my mind, so I started as a new. So this
new.
just ignore it. Ignore it.
Oh, okay.
Hmm?
Because I was wondering why you chose table because there
Huh.
are other options there.
Yeah. Because table it will be easy to identify. So let's take example of incident resolve. Yeah, it will be easy to make you understand. So I'm opening this. So this one, right? If you can see it, it will work when incident is resolved. So they name it incident resolved. Now, what they select when to send? Selected when incident state change to resolve, then only they want to select. Okay. Now, who will receive? Caller. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Third is what it will receive. Employee notification template. Just template they have decided. Subject. Task effective number was resolved. So they have selected from here. Now if you'll see this one carefully, right? They selected this one. Incident line. This is the template. And if they want to put something here, they can select it from here and put it. So this is a simple like example where you can create, you can like play around yourself. You can create your new incident on the table. You can create your like condition. You can say it's working, not working kind of thing. Okay. Now here one important thing that I sorry I like dragged in, went in different directions. One important thing of what I want to show it here. If you open this, it will show you all the messages, all the options available on the incident page. Okay, but sometimes what happened, right? Suppose John Floyd has opened the incident. Now you want to inform his manager also if that incident is closed, if the incident is updated. Like if in a big organization, right, if you want to work, you have to be in a hierarchy. Hierarchy in the sense, suppose I'm giving you example of simple example of your kids school only. Suppose your kid from your kids school, they get a report card or they get a project. Now that project has to be done by your son, but you are also a stakeholder there, right? It's completed on time or not. He has all the material. He is getting the time. He's giving undivided attention to that or not. So how the class manager should have a mechanism to inform each child's parent also that they have assigned this work or they have this test from this time to this time. So similar fashion in service now, when are you in a professional world, we can include caller manager also. So how we can improve, right? Include that concept is called dot walking. So dot walking is that in your reference field, if you can go and select somewhere from there, that is called dot walking. So I will just show you example. Like if you are clicking on field, it will all fields are coming. But if you carefully notice, there is some field has plus also, like here caller. So it means this field is a reference field, and we can take example of, we can take in detail of that also in call. So if you click plus, now we are caller record, and in caller record we can select him here. Now if you go down, we have somebody called manager also should be there. Manager. Now if you click on manager, the manager reference field will come, and from here we can get his email ID. So if you'll notice here, caller ID dot manager dot email. Okay. Now in suppose in the manager, if you want to select the building, so location, I'm getting into detail. City. Now if you notice caller ID manager building location city is coming. It's going one level deep. Are you getting this concept?
Yeah.
Or you want me to explain it like with the record. It's simple to understand, no issue. If you got it, it's no problem. Okay. So dot working, this is what I explained. You can select series of table through the reference field. You can select and get the detail. Okay.
Okay.
Subscription. Subscription is nothing but a caller can decide that what type of notification or what type of email he wants to get or what type of email he wants to ignore. He can choose on his own. Okay. So that is his decision. If you want to get certain type of email, he can get it. If he wants to ignore certain type of email, he can ignore it. Connect chat, right? This already we have gone through, correct? Connect chat is not available. So connect works with all these things. So let me later this instead of this ignoring it, right?